May 14th. A sunflower in Vermont. One bee lands. She triggers a mechanical snap. 35% of your next meal depends on this split-second dance. Then, the hive goes silent. Meet Elena. She checks 40 hives at dawn. Inside hive 7, frames are empty. 30,000 workers vanished overnight. No dead bees. Just gone. Colony collapse disorder strikes again. Neonicotinoids coat the soil. These chemicals paralyze nervous systems. One drop kills a queen. In Iowa, 20% of crops are sprayed. The food chain breaks here. Elena moves hives to wildflower fields. She plants 500 native blooms. Diversity fights disease. Within weeks, brood chambers fill. The colony breathes. Life returns. But climate change shifts bloom times. Bees arrive early. Flowers stay closed. A 12-day mismatch. Starvation looms. The rhythm breaks. We are losing the clock. Back in Vermont. Dawn breaks. One bee emerges. She finds the sunflower. The dance continues. Protect them. It starts with us. Listen to the hum. Central Valley, California. 2019, Elena lifts a heavy frame, empty. 30,000 workers gone overnight. This is colony collapse disorder. Not death. Disappearance. The scouts vanish into thin air, silence falls. Upstate New York rooftop. Maya inspects a brood cell, tiny white fungus blooms inside Nazima. It shreds their guts. 1 bee eats 2 million particles daily. By noon, the colony starves. The food never reaches the brain. Northern Ontario forest. Liam checks a trap. 0 bees. Just pollen clouds. He sprays 20 pounds of neonicotinoids per acre. The chemical fog kills the compass. Bees forget the way home. They wander until they drop. Why do they vanish? Scientists track GPS tags on 400 bees. Data reveals a 15-mile radius limit. Pesticides shrink their map. They fly in circles. The forest becomes a maze. No exit. Just exhaustion. But hope remains. Elena plants 500 native blooms. Diversity fights disease. Within weeks, brood chambers fill. The rhythm returns. Life breathes again, but climate shifts bloom times. A 12-day mismatch. Starvation looms. Back in Vermont. Dawn breaks. 1 bee emerges. She finds the sunflower. The dance continues. Protect them. It starts with us. Listen to the hum. The secret life of bees lives on. If we let them. Vermont, 5 a.m. Elena loads 15,000 hives onto flatbed trucks. The rumble shakes the honeycomb. This is the Great Migration. But inside the boxes, 60,000 bees are waking up early. 3 days later. California almond orchards. 1.2 million acres await. The air fills with pollen. But hidden in the wax, VAROA mites feed. They suck hemolymph. One mite kills a bee in days. The journey costs $40 per hive. Heat stress rises. Inside, the queen lays 2,000 eggs daily. She is the engine. If she fails, the colony dies. No queen, no colony. Mid-July. Texas heat wave. Temperature hits 105 degrees. Bees fan their wings. They pump air to cool the brood. It takes 10,000 fanning bees to lower temp by 1 degree. They are working themselves to death. Back in the truck. Mite spread. Elena sprays oxalic acid. It kills the pests. But it also stings the bees. A necessary war. Survival isn't gentle. Elena marks the queen. A tiny red dot. She finds her among 40,000 workers. This single insect holds the colony's life. Protect her. Protect them all. Inside the hive, darkness reigns. But chaos isn't random. It's a code. Bees waggle in 8-second loops. They map flowers 3 miles away using the sun's angle. A silent language written in dance. In Texas, Dr. Elena Rodriguez watches screens. She tracks pheromones. One queen releases 200 micrograms daily. That scent calms 40,000 workers. Without it, the colony fractures in hours. But mites are evolving. Elena breeds super queens. She selects for grooming genes. Only 12 survive the first month. The rest drown in Varroa. Nature demands perfection. Then silence. A hive loses its queen. No scent. No dance. Workers fight. Brood dies. In 48 hours, 60 pounds of honey rot. Order vanishes instantly. Elena finds the winner. Queen Alpha. She lays 2,000 eggs daily. Resistant. Strong. Her pheromones spread fast. The hive hums again. Life returns through one insect. Back in Texas. 105 degrees. 10,000 bees fan wings. They pump air. Temp drops 1 degree. Elena smiles. They survived. Again. Because she protected the code. The Great Migration. 20 million hives. Elena drives 1,400 miles from Texas to California's San Joaquin Valley. Almonds bloom early. Bees aren't ready. 30% arrive too weak. The race has begun. Inside the hive. Silence. Then chaos. Pesticide drift hits. Nosema fungus spreads. One colony loses 40% of workers in 24 hours. Elena checks frames. Empty cells. Urgent, the bloom shifts. Climate change moved the calendar. Elena checks weather data. Temperature spiked 5 degrees. Flowers opened early. Bees stayed cold. The mismatch costs $100 million. Determined, Elena adapts. She moves hives 200 miles north. Cooler air. Bees wake up. Pollination starts. Each flower needs one visit. 6 billion blossoms. She manages 400 hives alone. Night falls. Humming returns. Elena sleeps beside hives. She hears the rhythm. Life persists. But only because she fought. Without her, silence. The code breaks. Calm, spring ends. Hives load back onto trucks. Elena watches them leave. She saved 10% of almonds. But the work continues. Next year? The bloom will shift again. Will they keep up? Elena uncaps a frame. Golden honey flows. She collects pollen samples. Lab tests reveal 40 distinct flower species. Diversity is back. The ecosystem heals. Back in Portland, Oregon, concrete cracks. Wildflower seeds burst through. 2 miles of corridors bloom. Bees navigate the green highway. Nature reclaims the city. Scientists monitor the hives. No more moves needed. Bees stay put. Pollen counts triple. The wild corridors work. Human intervention fades. Nature takes over. Calm dawn breaks over the meadow. Mist rises. Thousands of bees emerge. No trucks. No alarms. Just the hum. The secret life continues. Silent. Strong. Alive. Elena stands alone. She watches them fly. She saved them. Now they save themselves. The battle isn't over. Vigilance remains. The hum is our warning. And our hope. A single bee lands. On her finger. It tastes the air. Life persists. We protect them. They protect us. The cycle continues. Forever. Buzzing.